This side?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is small.
Yes.
Left.
Frame, if not come frame, good. This was in there in temple, this was not coming frame.
Yes, because the other paint is bigger.
So we can bring this.
Okay.
Ready?
Yes.
Jai Sri Guru Gauranga Gandharvika Ginthai Govinda Gopinath Madan Mohan Sri Purushottam Bhatta Ki Jai Vishnupada Stotra Satasla Krishna Maharaj Ki Jai Tala Prishla Bhakti Jivan Janardhan Goswami Maharaj Ki Jai नाम श्रेष्ठं मनुमपि सचिपुत्रमत्र स्वरूपं रूपं तस्याग्रजं मुरुपुरी माधुरी गोष्ठवाटिं राधाकुण्डं गिरिवरमहो राधिका माधवाश प्राप्तोर्जस्य प्रथितकृपयां श्रीगुरुं तं नतोऽस्मि वंशाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः नारपितचरिं चिरात् करुणयावतीर्णः कलौ समर्पयितुन्नतौज्ज्वलरसां स्वभक्तिः श्रियां हरिः पुरटसुन्दरद्युतिकदम्बसन्दीपितौ सदा हृदयस्कन्दरे स्फुरतु वः शचीनन्दनः अङ्गश्यामलिमछटाभिरभितो मिन्दिकृतेन्दिवरं जाड्यं जागुडरुचिसां विदधतं पटाम्बरं च श्रियां बृन्दारण्यविलासिनो हृदि लसतदामाभिरामोदरं राधास्कन्दनिवेशितजलभुजं ध्यायेमदामोदरम् तमादिदेव करुणानिधानं तमालवर्णं सुहृदावतारम् अपार संसार समुद्र सेतुं भजामहे भागवत स्वरूपम् जगदानन्दकन्दाय प्रणतार्तिहराय च नीलाचलनिवासाय जगन्नाथाय ते नमः श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. The first of all, pray to Sri Guru Pada Padma Nitya Lila Vishnu Pada Sri Bhakti Vayapuri Goswami Maharaj, Nitya Sri Bhakti Jivan Janardhan Goswami Maharaj, Nitya Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, and with all associates our Parama Guru Deva Nitya Sri Bhakti Sri Goswami Thakur Prabhupada, all our Guru Vargas Acharyas, by their mercy, we will enter to this Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, the ocean of the nectar of spiritual, devotional, this rasas. I offer my respects, pranams to all devotees who are participating here. By the mercy of Sri Guru Gauranga Radharas Bihari, in this Purushottam month, the Lord Purushottam, we observing this month to continue this Shravana Kirtana Harikatha Mahotsav regarding Rupa Goswami's Uddhava Sandesh and Srimad Bhagavatam, this 10th canto, 46 and 47 chapter, this Brahmara Gita, Radharani, she was glorifying to Krishna in the negative way, criticizing way. So this is different tastes for devotees. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Puri, he was enjoying all this separation mood of Radha, Krishna, and how to see Uddhava. She described Krishna's this pastimes. We were discussing 16th verse. We decided yesterday. Next verse is also describing about his past incarnations. Radharani, Uddhava, because of bumblebee, Uddhava told, no, 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 no. Our Lord is innocent. He is very pure. He never do like this. Why you are so cruel? Why you accusing, criticizing heavily? He is not like that. I am promising. Then Radharani told, what do you know about him? You are newly joining with him. You are recently you are his servant, his follower, his dearest. You know his background. We know this. Mrugayuriva kapindram divyade lubdha dharmaha striyamakrutta virupaha strijitah kamajanam balimapi balimatva bestayat bhankyavat jasta dalam asital sokhe दुस्त्यज तत कथार्थ वो असित सखे असित मीन्स ब्लैक शीत मीन्स white असित मीन्स opposite black this black color people all are like this not now he in the past Ramachandra's incarnation. What he did, he was Kshatriya. But he did not follow Kshatriya dharma, the morality. He became like a hunter and go to forest with like a sage keeping muted hairs muted, and took the bakala, this tree skin, and he was moving with his brother and his wife Sita also. But he killed Kapindram. Kapindram means Bali. Sugriva, he became friend with Sugriva and he killed to Bali hidingly. This is not a Kshatriya dharma. Kshatriya dharma, as a Kshatriya, fight front to front. He did not go to front, fear to Bali, hidingly. He told, you quarrel with him. They quarrel, fight, then in background he shoot, just like a hunter. Hunters also, they have some principle, they have religion. Hunters never killed monkeys, because monkeys flesh nobody eat, nobody also buy, nobody sell. So hunter also not eat, means he is also worse than hunter. Not a Kshatriya, also not a hunter. This is his sinful activities, so his body is black because of sin. Then this Ravana's sister, Trailokya, the king of 3 planets, Ravana, and his sister, Surpanakha. Her nose was so sharp, anyone can attract to this. But she was proud for her nose, Surpanakha. She attracted to see Ramachandra's beauty. This is natural. If some men, some women come, they attract. And she approached her feelings, attraction. And she requested. But he is so cruel, nobody do like this. He cut her nose. Nobody do this. He cut her nose, make her ugly. Who is doing this? What do you know about him? You are saying, oh, he is very pure, Uttama Sloko, who will hear, he will become pure, he will become free from the sinful activities, he free from karma. How? This is, what do you know about him? So, Radharani bringing to, before we know Ramayana, everyone, if we go to discuss this, Ramayana is beautiful. First he has written Valmiki and Vyasadeva, Markandeya, Narada, they wrote this. If he is doing such activities, but no one give up him, they are attracted by his pastimes. If you go to more past, in Vamana, he appeared like a Brahmin, Brahmachari. He became very small. How is he duplicates, you see? He became Brahmin, Brahmachari, and he is going to begging. Bhikhyam Dehi. Told they give me alms. But he was so genius. He offered him, what do you want? He told him, no, he went there and he uttered beautiful, very sweet sound and vibration was entering the heart and attracted to Bali Maharaj. Bali. He came and with his wife, as a Brahmin, he cleaned with water his feet put in head, and as a Brahmin, he is devotee, his service to Brahmachari, he offered what you want. He told, I want only 3 feet. I can sit there doing my japa tapasya, no one can disturb me. He told her, no, what do you want? You take. What do you want? You want one kingdom, one in Swargaloko, Janaloko. What do you want? I can give you. If you came to Baris, then you never go in your life to any, again to beg to any someone. What do you want? He was generous and he was offering with affection and respect. He told her, no, no, no. 3 feet is sufficient. This is how much desire we increase, it never end and never satisfy. So what I will do, I have nothing to do with all these things, 3 feet. So he offered, okay. When he offered, he opened 1 feet and took all this plant. Another feet, another plant, everything. Oh, 3 world became under his feet. This is how his character. This is good morality, religious. Okay, he worshipped with his wife, family. He offered. After took, then it tied him in a Varuna pass. He told him, tied him. Who will do this? Somebody they give benediction. Who are giving a donation. They go, okay, you're glorious, you're prosperous, you grow with your materially, spiritually, peaceful, you get peace and happiness. But he is so ungrateful and cruel, he did with body. What do you know about him? Like a crow. The nature of crow was also black. And Krishna is more black than like crow. So crow nature is, somebody give food, he will eat, and he call all crows. The nature of a crow, if you get some food, oh, ka, 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 all where they will hear, they will come there. With a group, they come and they eat, and who gave food, they passing a stool and then they go. Like this. The nature of this black body. Same he took from Bali with his group, came all devatas, come, others, they took everything from Bali and they sent it to Bali to Sutalapa. So, which kind of this? His character. So, but problem is, we can give up him. He also, how he did with us. We give up everything for him, our family, our body, our religion, our everything we give up for him. He also left like this without anything, and he did not come. And he sent to you. And you now, because this bumblebee is singing, he's going on, so he's singing you. Otherwise, come to beg excuse, you don't say like this. He is very beyond of this Maya, he has no birth, he has no any activities, he has no dear, he has no enemy, he has no friend, he has no father, no lover, no mother. No. Now you explaining like this. So what is this? Problem is, we can give up him. No problem. We don't want to see this blood. Problem is we can't leave his katha. This katha, if he is doing so sinful activities, immoral activities, irreligious activities, but such like Brahmarshi like Valmiki, Vyasadeva, Narada, Markandeya, Chatusana, Brahma, Mahadeva, Shiva, they also praise it. Hey, what will you do? Very difficult to give up his kathartha, his meaning of his katha. Either you criticize, blame, or you praise. You cannot go out from his katha. This is the power of his katha. Very difficult to give up his katha. Mrugayuriva kapindram vivyadhe lubdha dharma स्त्रियमकृत विरूपः स्त्रीजितः कामजानां बलिमपि बलिमत्वा वेष्टयत् ध्वांख्यवत् जस्तदलम् अशितलोके दुस्त्यजस्ततकथार्थः जस्तदलम् अशितसखी दुस्त्यजततकथार्थः. Very difficult to live without his katha, his meaning. Here also, everyone suffering here now becomes, give one body, took a bath, grow up, many problems, always crying, and again they grow up, becomes beautiful, very attractive, doing then take their beauty, take their strength, becomes old, cannot see, cannot do anything, suffering, and always they are going to pray him. What do they do? There is no other way. This is the creation. So here, Rupa Goswami told this is Pratijalpa. Fear there, cruel there, and irreligious criticism there are past. All this says Pratijalpa. In this verse, also they know the Supreme Lord, he is coming, and by other incarnations, and he perform his pastimes. So this is not meaning that they don't know. He knows. Radharani knows him, he is Golokeshwari, and this incarnations, other incarnations, and he accused to Lakshmi, and also Valmiki and Vyasadeva, all who has written about this Vedic Ramayana, Mahabharata, Veda, and Vedanta, and Bhagavatam, all these they wrote about him. So he knows he is the Supreme Lord. He is coming to here. He has incarnations. It's not they are simple, ordinary, like male, female, by love, separation, they are glorifying or criticizing this. This is Supreme Lord, and he sees Supreme Goddess. So there, these pastimes we have to keep. Topic, subject, discussion. This discussion looks like maybe male, female, but male, female, I discussed before also, this body actually comes from Radha Krishna. This nature and enjoyer, Purusha and Prakriti, this, the formula, the system, the creation is coming from there. Here also, always this pastime is going on in Srishti Leela. Maybe we have different name and a different color, different the attributes, but this is not reality. Reality is Prakriti and Purusha. Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada, he told, all this universe you see, when we see a river, we remember Yamuna. If we see one pond, we remember Radha Kunda Samakunda. If we see a forest, we remember it Vrindavan. If we see any man and woman, we remember Krishna and Radha, Gopis. He told to change our consciousness to Krishna consciousness. It is real there, absolute truth there. What we grow, produced by this nature, male or female, anybody, animal or birds or any creature, this is nothing, no one except Krishna, in Krishna's energy. So this pastime is meaning always with the Supreme Personality of Godhead. This pastime is sweet to hear, like our natural daily life, social life, with our mental and physical, with the sensual, what is happening, but at the same time, this is related to this super soul, Supreme Personality of Godhead and Supreme God, Personality of Goddess. So this is the their pastime. Different incarnations also discussed. They know everything. They are not simple, they know this. Then next verse, he told, Jadano charita leela karna piyusha viprut sakru dadana vidhuta dvanda dharma vinashtaha sapadi griha kutumbam dinam utsruja dinaha bahavaya vihangaha bhikkhu charyang charanti. Then maybe Uddhav tell, oh, then why you forget his katha? No need to, but very difficult to forget it. This katha so powerful, so poisonous, only like 2 drops, maybe few words. If someone here drink by ear, karna piyusha viprut, when hear, very tasty to hear this, but who hear this, his anucharita leela. Anucharita, charita means in past incarnations, like many incarnations, fish incarnation, tortoise incarnation, boar incarnation, Narasimha, Vamana, Mohini, many incarnations there. And he has Bhagavatam described about 24 incarnations, many there. So what he has done, be past, also now present in our Brajabhumi, in Gokul, what he has done, how he was beautiful, how he killed to Putana, and also Trinabarta, Sakata, all these pastimes are, and how he loves to everyone, animals, birds, all men, women, all they are there. But these pastimes, Karna Piyusha. Karna Piyusha, Karna means to ear. This is like nectar to hear. Karna Piyusha Viprut, Shapadi Gruha Kutumbam Dinam Utsurja Dina. Sakrudadana Vidutam Dwanda Dharma Vinashta. If you answer to someone here, oh, this material life is Maya, this is temporary, only suffering, this is nothing there, this is always painful. Three types of misery always there. This is house, this wife, husband, children, all this Maya, this is temporary. Anytime death come and take. Just few words, some would say, then some are go, oh, this is Maya. And what is the Maya? This is, what is the truth? Then, after hearing this, whole life, how they acquire wealth, house, property, family, they bring their, make their house nice, everything beautiful for this, enjoying. After hear this year, the nectar to hear after this, he gave up everything. He lost his desire to do, inspiration, enthusiasm to do anything. So this is Maya. Give up everything and go like a bird. Bird, they go one tree to another tree, one branch to another branch. They live like this. They have no so much like human. They are comfortable, making many comfortables, living, house, paraphernalia. So Bihanga Iva, like bird, they stay hither, thither, anything they can get, somebody give something eat, and they go to hear his katha. Where is Hari Katha? They go there, maybe they eat something, they sleep where something, they give up everything. Also they take out their hair, they put his mala, and become like, and they become like this beggar, like a beggar. So this katha is so powerful, poisonous. Enter to somebody's ear, finish his life. Jadanu charita lila karna piyusha viprut sakru dadana vidhuta dvanda dharma vinashta. Dvanda dharma vinashta. Dvanda dharma means this is I and my and your. This is dvanda dharma. This is mine, this is your, this is. This dharma, this duality will finish by after hearing this. Nothing in my, everything is Christmas. He take. After here, he take everything from his mind. Danda dharma vinashta. Sapadi gruha kutumbam dinam utsurjo vina. Immediate. Oh, I have to go out from this. Maybe somebody death, sometime death will come. I have to do something. So becomes very anxious to give up whole life, how much they acquire. They give up everything. Sakrud Vidanda dharma, sapadi gruha kutumbam, his house, kutumba, his family, dinam, become like a beggar, very low, low class. Dinam, take all sufferings, austerity. Dinam utsurja dinaha. Bahavaha iha vihanga ivo. Bhikkhu charjang chanti. Not only one, two, many liberated souls like Mahadeva. He has all everything opulence, perfection there. He give up everything, is living in funeral place. Some snake put in his head, some this ashes from funeral place is putting there and chanting his name. Jai Ram, Sri Ram, Jai Jai Ram Ram. Another is Mahadev, a Narada. He Brahma's son. He is all perfection. He also get anybody, anytime get there. He has nothing, only one. Veena, going everywhere. Govinda Hare Murari. He is chanting his name, he is moving. Sanaka Sanandana Sanada Kumar, Brahma, and all these sages, rishis, they also like this. So how we can give up this pastime to tell us if they are like this? Jadano Charita Leela Karna Piyusa Viprut Sakru Dadana Vidhuta Dwanda Dharma Vinastha Sapadi Griha Kutumbam Dinam Utsurja Dinaha Bahavaha Iha Vihanga Bhikshu Chariyang Charanti. They become bhikkhari, they become sannyasi, they give up everything. Even many emperors, kings, they have all comfortable life, but give up everything. One night they finish everything, go forest, something eat and doing this. So very difficult to his kathas power. He is like this, and his katha is also. So how we can give up? So neither we die and neither we do, just we suffer. This is his character. Who come to his contact, they will suffer always. So here the power of his Harikatha, Krishna himself also told this, because Katha, pastimes, comes not by only Krishna. Krishna with the devotees, with other associates, companies, all together appear Leela Katha. Not come by alone. Leela never come alone. Philosophy, we become alone. Intellectual, okay. Therefore they go to meditate. Leela is with devotees, their activities, and the Supreme Lord, his activities, and others, demons comes, also their activities, all rasas together, then the Leela rasa, this pastimes comes. So this pastimes with the devotees and with Leela Shakti, Bhakti Shakti, when all together, Krishna also attracted for that. Once Narada asked to him, because Narada sometimes go to Vaikuntha to meet him, to discuss something about any problem or anything necessary to go in. But many times he cannot get his personal meeting. So he asked once, "Oh Lord, please give me your private some address. So when I need, I can meet you without fail. It's your private address." There he told, "Nahang tisthami vaikunthe yoginang hrudayena cha madbhaktaha jatra gayanti tatra tisthami Narada." Oh Narada, secretly I am saying, but never come to disturb me. Where my devotees, madbhaktaha jatra gayanti, when they singing and they discussing, I will be there sure. I sit their heart and hearing their Harikatha. Maybe I will sometimes stay in my place in Vaikuntha, sometimes not. In the yogis, they also meditate in their heart, they wanted to keep me, but I will not be also there. But where my Katha, sure I will be there. Though see the Katha, power of this Katha is attracted to Krishna, Supreme Lord, also to devotees, and create premananda. Therefore he come here, perform these pastimes of Leela. This is prem, this love by Katha creates spiritual madness to everyone. The power of this Katha. So who drink this Katha rasa, Leela rasa, with ear. In Bhagavatam told, Pivanti je, who hear this. Tavi mahana mukharitang madhubihi charita piyusa sesa sarita parita sravanti tang je pivanti avitrishna rupagada karno tang na sprusanti kshutrudu bhaya shoka moha. In Bhagavatam, he told this verse, Maitreya Muni told to Vidura, who are bona fide your devotees, when they sit, where they sit, always they speak about Madhubhi Charita, this pastime of activity of the sweet pastime of the Supreme Lord. Paritah Sravanti, this is Katha like a river is flowing, and who are there, they drink and they swim there. They swim, they drink, they take bath there. Madhubhi Charita. Mahana Mukharitang Madhubhi Charita. When it comes from Mahana Mukharitang, by their mouth, lotus mouth, it comes. Sarita, Madhubhi Charita, Sesa, Sarita, Paritra, Sravanti. Everywhere. Like when rains come in a mountain, go everywhere the water. Same, it comes and comes from their mouth and flowing everywhere. Tangje pivanti avitrushtan rupa gadha karnau, with the ears by avitrushna, with the desires. Lobho sadhu sange hari katha. The greediness is necessary in bhakti, necessary. All kama, krodha, lobho, desire is necessary, anger and greediness, mother, the proudness. All these are favorable to engage in Krishna's service. Narottama Das Thakur has written one poem also. He told, Prahlada Maharaj also told, Kamang Chadasya. They have a desire to service. They are not free from desires. They don't want to give up desire. And you, in others' philosophy, and Shanta Rasas, they have no any desire, and they detached from everything. Mind is dry, inside is nothing, no inspiration, nothing there. So they are like trees and like any creepers, no action, enthusiasm to do anything. But in the Dasya Rasa, servitude mood, they need, I wanted to do for my Lord. Desire we engage to Dasya, to service. Krodha bhakta deshi jane. Anger who are against enemy to devotees, non-devotees. We can engage this. Krodha bhakta dveshi jane. Lobha sadhu sange hari katha. Lobha, the greediness for the hari katha in association with sadhus, with the devotees. Sadhu sange hari katha. Mother Krishna Sankirtan. And this ego, proudness with Sankirtan. You can engage to this. Bring your energy to perform Sankirtan. Mother. So these are how to engage in a devotional advancement. There is many verses there. How to use. So here, this is the rasas. It became a rasa. When we engage this kama, krodha, lobha, mada, moha, matsarya, all this chinta, moho, illusion, bewilderness, chinta, grasta, and forgetfulness, these are all Maya in material world, in a materialistic condition, these are against, unfavorable for advancement of spirituality. But when it comes to Krishna Bhakti, when engaged service, these are all becomes favorable and go to higher, superior bhakti. This is very difficult to understand. Such philosophers who has no deep knowledge about bhakti philosophy, how to engage everything. Krishnanushilanam, anukulyenam Krishnanushilanam. Anukulya, everything we make to favorable and do anushilan. Anushilan means action there, mentally, physically. So if we engage Krishnanushilanam, then bhakti uttama. Uttama bhakti will attain, achieve in uttama bhakti, go advance, progress in bhakti, more deep and more higher. This is the power of Harikatha. Gopis in Rasa Leela, they separated from Krishna. Krishna disappeared with Krishna's Radharani. 30 chapters in 10th canto. After they could not find him, when they come together and Radharani also met with them, then they started Gopi Gita. There, one pastime there, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was in Puri, the king, Puri king Prataprudra Maharaj was there, and he was very strong and fight with all Muslims were ruling other parts of India, and Odisha was ruled by Prataprudra Maharaj, 1/3 of Bharata in India, from Ganga to Godavari and Krishna. Big part of India. So, after Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, there Raya Ramananda retired and he joined, he was a governor in South. He joined with him. Sarvam Bhattacharya also there. Many others, the king also attracted to him, but Mahaprabhu never allowed to meet with king. He inside he has more affection because the king was sweeping when Jagannath's chariot, the car festival going on, the king, emperor, he is doing so menial service, just sweeping with the golden sticks, this bone, he was sweeping. So Mahaprabhu was very happy with such servants, is emperor of Jagannath. But to give him prem, because this ruling and always fighting with others, different character, so Mahaprabhu's desire to give him prem, so he wanted to attract him from his this position of the emperor. So he wanted to meet with Mahaprabhu. After hearing his all glorious from Sarvam Bhattacharya and others, Mahaprabhu never allowed him to come. So it was very intensive. Sarupa Damodar and all they came and they convinced to him, we want to meet. Then he allowed to meet his son only. His son was Purushottam. He came, he embraced him, Mahaprabhu gave one cloth to him. But he did not allow him to come. Then later on, Prataprudra Maharaj became very determined. He told, if he promise, he will not allow me to meet with him. I promise, I will give up all this emperor posts, kingdom, and I will go also. Correct. So everyone, they was afraid. What did they do? Then all sit, Nityananda Prabhu, Advaitacharya, Haridas Thakur, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, Sarupa Damodar, all this Gaudiya and Uriya, all devotees there, they told, we can do some solution. How he can stop such a devotee? Why he is so negative to meet him? Then in Ratha Jatra time, when Mahaprabhu performing Sankirtan, he became so tired in Gundicha Mandir, where Ratha Jatra comes there. Our Guru Maharaj constructed temple there. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was coming, that was that time garden. And Mahaprabhu coming there and take rest there. Then they told you, change your cloth become normal devotee and enter to him. When he become, after Sankirtan, he becomes so tired, he like unconscious. Then you go and massage his feet. What will he do? We will see. All devotees became unite against Mahaprabhu's decision. And they support to Pratapudra Maharaj. Then Mahaprabhu, after heavily Sankirtan, dancing, he was sleeping there, taking rest. He closed his eyes. Then Pratapudra Maharaj came with normal cloth, dress, and he entered there. And it's emperor, he knows how to message with points, like acupressure. No? So he's singing Gopi Gita and messaging his. So Mahaprabhu, by Pratapudra Maharaj, his fingers, his hand is not like ordinary, he is fighter. He can crush to many other soldiers with his sword. So everyone run away for him to his fear. He's like thunderbolt. His body was like this. But with love, when he was messaging, Mahaprabhu was enjoying his relief, his tiredness of Sankirtan. Then also he is singing. Jayati te dhikam janmana braja srayata indira saswadatrahi daita drushyatang dikhyustavaka tvai dhruta sava tang vichinvate. He started to singing Gopi Gita. Why Krishna is suffered, disappeared there. When he come to another verse, Tava kathamrutam tapta jivanam kabibhiriditam kalmashapaham sravana mangalam srimadatatam bhuvi grunanti je bhurida jana. In this verse, when he came, after this, Mahaprabhu was enjoying this. He's physically, he's getting massage and singing there, so he's satisfied with his soul and mind there. And gradually comes his prem, again come out from his prem, started to moving his hair is standing, and inside comes emotion, sentiments come, this ecstasy. In this verse, in come to his glorifying his katha, Tava kathamrutam, your katha is nectar. Tapta jivanam, this material world who are suffering by the birth and death and the suffering this. Kabibhiriditam, devotees are when they are glorifying this, singing this. Kalamasha, give up, free from all kind of mentally, physically, all suffering from past karma. Abhibhiriditam kalamasha srimadatatam, all Sri Lakshmi Saraswati, all Sri Saubhagya, good fortune come to him. Bhuvi gruna srimadadatam, bhuvi grunanti je bhurida, who are distributing his katha, they are the greatest donor in this world. We cannot compare with them any such donor in this world. When Pratapurma was speaking this, immediate Mahaprabhu called, you gave me so much, Bhurida, Bhurida, you gave me so much. He came and embraced him, and both there ruling there with prem. Such this power of katha, Mahaprabhu and Krishna himself. So this is our life. In this world, this is nectar, this is medicine, this is vitamin for the soul. So who drink, they will get this power to conquer this Maya and to attract to Krishna. And this Katha's power is, we don't need to go to Krishna, Krishna will come. Sri Krishna Karshani Chosa. When gopis they utter this, sang this, immediately Krishna Tasama Virabhut Sauri Swayangmana Mukhambuja Pitambara Dhara Sagi Sakhyat Manmatha Manmatha. He appeared there among them. They are singing with ecstasy, with separation, Krishna appeared in the middle of the Madana Mohan, the smiling face, with the peacock feather, cloth, dancing, he appeared there. So Radharani knows this mantra. You cannot find him, but he chant his katha, he will come. So this is the power of his katha. So Radharani, with different mood of criticizing, but glorifying him. This is very nectar, tasty to devotees to hear Mahaprabhu enjoying. And tomorrow we will go to next verse. Now we will take it. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhavayavacha patitanang pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo. Shri Radhe Govind Bhajamana Shri Radhe, Shri Radhe Govind Shri Radhe, Shri Radhe Govind Bhajamana Shri Radhe, Shri Radhe Govind Bhajamana Shri Radhe. Shri Radhe Shyam Radhe, Shri Radhe Shyam Radhe, Shri Radhe Shyam Radhe, Shri Radhe Shyam Radhe, Shri Radhe Govind Bhajaman Shri Radhe, Shri Radhe. Shri Radhe Shyam Pyari Radhe, Shri Radhe Pyari Radhe, Shri Radhe Pyari Radhe, Shri Radhe Radhe Govind Yamana Shri Radhe, Shri Radhe. Radhe 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 Jai Jai Shri Radhe, Radhe 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 Govind Govind Radhe, Radhe 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 Jai Jai Shri Radhe. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Sai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. जय श्री गुरु गौरंग राधा बिहारी जगन्नाथ विश्वम गिरिराजू की जय। ओम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर शतस्म गुरु महाराज की जय। अनंत बड़े वैष्णव की जय। हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय। पुरुषोत्तम भगवान की जय। पुरुषोत्तम आश की जय। अनंत गुड़ी वैष्णव वृंद की जय। गौर प्रेमानंद।
Bhakti Sundar Sadhu Maharaj ki Jai Ho. Jai Ho Maharaj.
Jai Damdavad Maharaj. So nice katha.
Thank you, thank you. My association.
This is the mercy of Karuna. We are now getting more nectar, Maharaj, every day. Was never before.
Never before?
Never. Every day we can listen. So nice katha.
Yes. Mercy of. Italian